Today on Designing Spaces, summer's right around the corner, and that means one thing: pool season. Ready to dive in but not sure how to get your pool prepped? We've got you covered with simple steps to open your pool like a pro with HTH Pool Care. Hey everyone, it's that time of year again. Time to open up the pool and get ready for some fun in the sun. When you're opening the pool, the main goal is getting the water just right so you and your family can dive into a clean, clear, and safe pool. HTH Pool Care is here to help making it convenient and easy for all the DIYers out there, so let's jump in. If you've got a winter cover, go ahead and remove it. Then bring the water level to about halfway up the skimmer. Make sure your pump and filter are running properly, and don't forget to clean out those skimmer and pump baskets. Skim and vacuum the pool to get rid of any leftover debris from the off-season. Now it's time to grab one of our HTH Pool Care kits. Everything you need to open your pool is right here. But if you prefer individual products, we've got you covered too. Next, use the HTH 6-way test strips to check your water chemistry. First, test your water using HTH Pool Care 6-way test strips. You can scan the strip in the handy HTH Test to Swim app for customized recommendations, or simply text a photo of the strip to HTH123 for detailed results. Once you've adjusted your water, shock it with the HTH Pool Care Shock Advance to kill any bacteria or algae lingering in the water. Run the filter overnight. We recommend shocking weekly with our Cal Hypo Shock to solve 90% of common pool water problems. The next day, you'll want to add the HTH Algae Guard granules in the skimmer to prevent any algae growth. Then you can add the HTH metal stain and scale control directly to the pool to protect your pool surfaces. Run the filter for 24 to 48 hours and vacuum if needed. And there you go. Now you're ready to start following the HTH weekly pool care routine to maintain that sparkling, swim-ready water. Test and balance your water twice a week. Use HTH sanitizers like 3-inch Chlorine Tabs Advanced or HTH Brilliance Cal Hypo chlorine tablets for daily sanitizing. And use our HTH Cal Hypo Shock Advanced weekly to prevent 90% of common water problems. HTH Pool Care helps you keep your pool beautiful, clear, and ready for a season of fun. You're all clear with HTH. For more information, check out hthpools.com or our website, designingspaces.tv.